Article about the ISTE standards for coaches, Professor Helen Crompton from Old Dominion University takes a different tactic and suggests that all of the work coaches do can be collected into a digital portfolio. She notes that digital portfolios are an excellent way to document and present your continual learning about content knowledge and professional growth. And if you've been completing the activities in these modules, you've done just that. All of the work products you've collected can serve as documentation of your knowledge and growth in each of the ISTE standards for coaches. In essence, by working on these modules, you are modeling the sixth standard. If you have not already, you may want to organize your work more formally into an existing or new digital portfolio that clearly shows the alignment of your knowledge and skills to the standards. How do other aspects engage in continual learning? What do they do to keep up with rapid changes in technology, to deepen their content and pedagogical knowledge? Check out this video from SBITS in Fairfax County for ideas on how they embody content knowledge and professional growth in their daily work. Each coach was asked to reflect on the following 3 questions. 1. How do you keep up with rapid changes in technology? 2. What have you learned about supporting organizational change when division or school leaders have a shared vision that requires change? 3. How do you evaluate and reflect on your own learning? As you review the video, think about how you might respond to these same questions based upon your experiences in SBITS, or even working with other colleagues in your school. Do these responses bring up any questions?